Hey everyone, Rick Steves here. Spain is one of the best places to visit, and I'm going to show you why. It has exciting cities full of history, sunny beaches, and really friendly people. From Gaudi's buildings in Barcelona to Seville's palaces, and Madrid's energy to the Canary Islands volcanoes, we're going to see it all. I'll share my best travel tips. Let's go! First, we're going to Barcelona, a city bursting with creativity. Don't miss the Sagrada Familia, Gaudi's amazing church with tall towers and colorful mosaics. Explore the Gothic quarter, where old Roman walls meet cool tapas restaurants. Walk down Las Ramblas and watch the street performers. To experience real Barcelona life, visit Gracia, relaxed squares perfect for coffee and people watching. Next, we're off to the Costa del Sol, Spain's famous coast. Imagine miles of golden sand, beautiful blue water, and charming towns to explore. Whether you want to get a tan or try windsurfing or eat delicious seafood paella by the ocean, the Costa del Sol is the place to be. Frigiliana with its white houses and flowers is like a postcard, and Ronda, built on a cliff, is amazing. Now let's go to Madrid, Spain's vibrant capital. Visit the Prado Museum to see masterpieces. Walk through the beautiful Plaza Mayor, have a coffee in the literary quarter, and see the Grand Royal Palace. Go to Mercado de San Miguel, a market for delicious food. And don't forget to enjoy a long, relaxing after-dinner conversation. It's a Spanish tradition. Get ready to love Seville, the heart of Andalusia. Explore the Alcázar, a beautiful palace, and the Seville Cathedral, a huge Gothic church. See the Plaza de España, a big square with colorful tiles. Walk through Santa Cruz's narrow streets, find hidden courtyards, and try refreshing gazpacho. Take a romantic walk by the river at sunset. Let's fly to the Canary Islands, volcanic islands near Africa. Each island is unique, from the rocky landscapes of Lanzarote to the green forests of La Gomera. If you love the outdoors, the Canary Islands are perfect. Hike Mount Teide, Spain's highest mountain, or relax on the beautiful beaches and enjoy the sunshine. Now we're going to Valencia, a city that mixes old history with modern architecture. Explore the Ciutat Vella, or Old Town, and see the Valencia Cathedral and the Lonja de la Seda, a historic silk exchange. Be amazed by the city of arts and sciences, futuristic buildings that look like they're from a sci-fi movie. This is where paella comes from, so try some. Walk through the Turia Gardens, a park built where a river used to be. Step back in time in Granada, a city full of Moorish history. The main attraction is the Alhambra, a palace on a hill. Explore its courtyards and enjoy the views. Granada is great for food lovers. Here, tapas are an art. Explore the Albayacin, the old Arab quarter with flamenco music. Next, we're going to Bilbao, a city transformed from an industrial center to a hub of art and culture. The Guggenheim Museum Bilbao, a shiny modern building, is the city's iconic landmark. See its modern art, and don't miss the Puppy, a giant flower sculpture. Walk along the river and see the city's mix of old and new buildings. Try the pinchos, Basque-style tapas. Get ready for Ibiza, an island famous for its parties but also for its natural beauty. Party in Ibiza town's big nightclubs. But Ibiza also has quiet beaches and charming villages. Visit the hippie market in Las Dalias for unique gifts. And don't miss a sunset over the Mediterranean. It's magical. So there you have it, 10 amazing places to see in Spain. From busy cities to quiet beaches, old history to modern art, Spain has something for everyone. With over 80 million visitors every year, it's easy to see why people love this country. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your trip to Spain. 10 amazing places just waiting to be explored. From the buildings in Barcelona to the beaches of the Costa del Sol, the culture of Madrid to the history of Seville and the Canary Islands, Spain has it all. Use this video to plan your trip to Spain. Subscribe for more travel tips. Tell me in the comments which place you want to visit. Until next time, happy travels.